What's up, everyone? Today we're checking out a seriously cool ride, the FCX24 Chevrolet K5 Blazer from FMS in 1/24 scale. You can find the link to this model in the description below, so make sure to check it out.
You are listening to
FMS K5 bodies restore all the details of Chevrolet's K5 to the greatest extent with a compact 1/24 scale size. In addition to the electroplated front and rear bumpers and grille, special electroplated stickers are innovatively used to restore the chrome-plated lines on the sides of the car body. Moreover, the bodies made of solid plastic material enable K5 more durable even tough trail. With pioneering two-speed transmission design, FCX24 redefines the performance and fun of small-scale RC cars. Small but might, leaves rivals in the dust. Strong torque delivery in low-speed mode is ideal for rock-crawling outdoors or mountain of books indoors. Off-roadability in high-speed mode comes smooth acceleration and linear throttle response, and perfect for wide-open trails and spirited driving. FMS create top-notch RC cars and trucks for backyard and outdoor fun.
Вчера бы это попробовать. No. No. Przykakuje. No.
You are listening, Delmon.